number 5.
Yes, I am. A bitter pill swallowed, but more bitter than this was the pang of rejection. Dad disowned me for the reason he alone knew. Society condemned me for mom's indiscretion, a fault not of my own making. I did not ask to be born, but they gave me life, just to wallow in poverty, in shame, and in anger. All around me were dark shadows of frustration, premarital sex, women of loose moral and heavy makeup, indecency, gambling, vices of all kinds, graft, corruption. Name them, and we have them all in our day. At first, I lived as an errand boy, then as a messenger for all this bread of flesh to sustain a living. I graduated to selling prohibited drugs while sleeping once in a while to get into the world of make-believe, to escape reality of life. That was how life was, with one like me who has no choice but to stay living that hard way. One night, in my usual routine, I had some small packages of prohibited drugs to deliver to my valued clients. I was intercepted by a man in uniform and was consequently caught in the act. I could do nothing more but to face the situation. Instead of submitting myself peacefully to the authority, I managed to grab the revolver and shot him flat dead. Bang! Once, twice, until several policemen came to his succor. I shot aimlessly. Bang! 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 Until I no longer knew how many lives were lost. God forgive me! But you people of the Philippine Republic who accuse me of drug trafficking and multiple murder, I also accuse you before the seat of the Most High, God all-knowing, all-wise Judge for, having failed me with our lawmakers who themselves are lawbreakers, having taught me life's bitterness just with your words, not coupled by your witnesses, having done nothing to fight moral decadence that has swept and festered our country now. I know I have but few minutes to live. Before I submit myself to face the Maker, I ask you, people of the Philippine Republic, to atone for passive participation in the mess and corruption in our country is faced with. Do something to save our country. Save the Philippines. Save our youth. Capture the lost values through moral recovery. The Bank of Misfortune.